What is up? It's your boy in here bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a banger because my truck is almost done. Now, I'm about to cut into yesterday's footage. Yeah, I recorded yesterday, but it got late in the day. You already know the dealio, man. It gets late, it gets dark, content isn't there. I'm making this video because I want you guys to understand not to take your truck just anywhere. Not everyone knows what they're doing. Not everyone knows what they're talking about. Contact the right people. My truck is aligned. We're good to go. That's all I need to say. We're gonna cut into the footage and I'll see you guys right back after. So look, listen, there may be a lot of noise, but I'm super excited because my truck, my Tacoma, is lifted with 285. It's sitting super nice. It has a nice stance and we're aligned. Now, for some people, that may not be a big issue or a big deal, but I've been driving with my truck misaligned for like 2 weeks, okay? 2 weeks, and I took it. Finally, I got onto Facebook, I reached out to them, and I learned. I used what I tell you guys to do your research, reach out to forums. I did that. I reached out to Facebook, and I got recommended to this off-road shop called Big Snatch Off-Road. They're in Fredericksburg, Virginia. If you need any work just from an alignment, they are awesome. I literally mean that. I would not recommend anybody who I do not, support. Like my wheels and tires, I haven't even told you guys where I got them from, and that's on purpose. Where I got my first alignment done, I haven't said it because they are awful. This guy did it first try, no problem. I came in with the intentions of getting a body mount chop and an alignment. That's $325. Now let me tell you something, okay? Money is what makes the world go round, and when money is involved, most people will not turn it down. They quoted me at $325 and some change, and I came in today and I told them I needed an alignment and a body mount chop. They said not a problem. I get my alignment done, and next is the body mount chop. But they saw that I didn't need the body mount chop, so they saved that for me. They saved me $225, okay? Now that may not seem like a lot, but that shows me that they aren't really out for the money, because they could have done the alignment and then stacked that body mount chop on top and called it a day. But they showed me I don't need it as of right now, especially being a city driver. I'm not gonna be using this thing for off-roading just because I don't feel that confident in it. But it goes to show, Big Snatch Off-Road, definitely a spot to hit up. I'm going to take anything and everything I touch, off-roading vehicle, lift kits, anything there, and I appreciate their work. Now, I don't even know where this video is supposed to go because, guys, I've literally been driving crooked steering wheel for so long, and I don't even have to hold my steering wheel anymore. Now, this is my truck, okay? Everything is intact. Everything you see here is what I've done, my doing. Now, the other shop, this is a little weird, all right? So I like salt, okay? And not in a weird way, but I like salt on my food. Maybe I'm weird, call me weird. I don't know, it's like ketchup for everything. I don't know. Nonetheless, I had like a little bucket of salt inside that they give you at Chipotle. I don't know if you guys like Chipotle or not, but whatever you're into, so am I. Like, comment, and subscribe. But I had salt in here, right? For the first shop that I took it to was not an off-road shop, and maybe that was my wrongdoing. My salt was spilled everywhere. I came in, my lights were all flickered off. One of my center caps was missing. What else? They tried to tell me my lift kit was installed wrong. So many things, right? So many problems. I just brought it here, and I mean, it was like, I called him, and he knew I didn't know much, and he didn't take advantage. I'm just so grateful for this person, and his name is Kenny. So if you need anything at Big Snatch Off-Road, Kenny is your guy. There's also a guy named Cody, both like super phenomenal people, and I appreciate them. I don't know if they're the owners or not, but they deserve some credit, and I'm gonna give them credit where credit is due. But Tacoma, let's get on the road, let's talk about it some more, what we need next, what we're gonna do next. But yeah, 285s, 70s, 17s on my Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport 4x4, looking super snazzy. Shout out to the missus. We're like an hour away, so I'm sorry, but yeah, we got to get home. So yeah, we ended up driving home. It was around an hour drive. It got late, got dark, and well, Sandy got hungry, I got hungry. We had to get some food, and then we went home. Now the truck drove great. I was super happy, super stoked. It's crazy to me that this shop was able to do it like that. They didn't overprice, they didn't overcharge. They did what was necessary. They checked everything out, and everything was good to go. And I really appreciate that. I genuinely do. Big Snatch Off-Road, big shout out to you guys. You guys know what you're doing. You guys got it going on. Now, if you need any help, any type of questions that you have about lifting your truck, let me know. I am more than happy to assist you guys. Now, the reason I made this video is I didn't want to bash on anybody because that's just not, you know, what I like to do. I don't even like to give them any attention, really, the people who cause, you know, negative energy into my life. You know, make sure the shop that you're taking your truck to is not the first truck there, right? So I took my truck 5 times into the same single shop, was touched by so many different mechanics, so many different things happen in that situation. Legit 10 hours of my life gone. And you know, it really bothers me because I took Sandy there after work and we sat there for hours and it was never done properly. So do your research, man. Look out for forums, listen to people who have gotten it done. I reached out to so many people, they let me know, you know, who's done it. Reach out to such and such, gave me names, and it works out a lot better that way instead of trying to do it on your own. I tried to do it on my own, spent like $500 on a shop that in reality didn't do anything for me. But you live and you learn, and I'm glad that I learned for you guys. If you're watching this, you have no excuse. Do your research, okay? Reach out to an off-road specific shop if you're looking to do this. A lot of people would be like, just go to Mr. Tire, go to NTB, whatever you want to call it, all right? Your local tire shop may not know what they're doing. They'll say they do. And it's up to you if you want to take that risk of, you know, just taking it there and them not knowing what they're doing, or you can take it to a proper shop and make sure they know what they're doing. That's my advice for the video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. We're on our road to 2,000 subscribers. We're literally more than halfway there. We're like 500 subscribers away. I appreciate every single one of you guys. We have a lot of mods coming to the channel, and if you're excited for that, leave a like. It's been your boy. I'm Alec, and I'll see you tomorrow. Single tomorrow. Peace.